Now, this is our part 7. Part 7 of our real estate loan 7A application. Yesterday, we discussed about insurances, and then there are other documentation. If you have a pen and paper, you have to list it down right now. The next one is if you have equipment, list up all machinery, equipment, and furniture with values. Anything that's inside the building, they need the listing. Then working capital to be dispersed. If this is optional, but if you need the working capital, better off to apply it. What is a working capital? Working capital is what you need in a month-to-month basis, the fixed cost like payment for the employees, the rent, and any other monthly payments that you would bidding. They also going to tell you how much are you approved. Then number 3, the copy of your latest W-2 for yeah, you need to have a W-2. Then copy of all the business's license and permits. That's number 4. Like if you are a doctor, you need to submit your license. If I'm a tax professional, they require us to have the unexpired PTIN, professional tax ID number, and then other licenses. Let's say you got certification to become a life and health insurance agent or an IRS acceptance agent, an EA, a CPA. All of those, they need the record. The next one, the confirmation of business occupancy. If you have a building and you're planning to have tenants, they require at least 51% is you will occupy. You will occupy the building. They actually require you to divide how many percentage. They need the floor plan. If you have your landlord, better ask that floor plan from them so you can get the exact measurement of that. But the Cameron County also, your county also have that record, but it's better to ask the floor plan from your land. They definitely have that. Then evidence of cash injection. I want to remind everybody that they're not going to give you the exact amount of loan that you're needing. You need to have skin in the game. So for example, you're asking for 1 million, they will ask 10% injection. But you need to tell them when is the injection going to happen. Is it before they release the money? Is it right now? 10%, let's say 1 million, you have to show that you transferred or you issue your company like $100,000 as 10%. Next, yeah, I've mentioned about receipt and acceptable review of the 2019 tax return. I already discussed that they have to verify it with the Internal Revenue Service, so they have to let you sign a 4506. Then updated financials, business financial statements. Remember, it's not just the financial statements of your company, but also your personal financial statement will kick in. There are forms that they will let you fill out. They have that template for you. Then the other thing is, well, driver's license. Yeah, this is easy. Completed. Then what else? Voided check, verification of mailing address. Some of this they will provide. Then also the lease agreement. The lease agreement, they would also require you to have that if it's going to be expired, is it continue? But if you have subtenants, they will also require you to submit the agreement with from your tenants. Okay. All right. So those are just some of the documents. We're done with part 7. Stay tuned with part 8. If you haven't subscribed and you're having a hard time to deal with these corporate documents, especially the financials for tax and bookkeeping, we are here to help. All you have to do is click share and subscribe and avail our 30-minute free consultation today. Stay safe.